I'm on a hike with my small chainsaw. It's electric, and the reason why I'm walking with my chainsaw is that last time I was in the forest, there was a tree fall over the trail. So I'm going to check if it's still here, and maybe I'll clean up so that it won't be so hard to get through. So me and Boff are here, and it's a beautiful autumn or winter day, but it hasn't snowed yet. I think the snow will come in a couple of days, but until then we can just enjoy the dry and cold air here in Norway. And here you can see the tree. And I have a really small chainsaw with a dull blade. It's this Bosch electric chainsaw, so I will see what I can do. But the thicker branch, I don't think I can do that, but I will try. Alright, this chainsaw is officially as dull as a butter knife on vacation. I mean, look at this. I'm basically tickling the branch, not cutting it. Every time I push, the saw just sighs back at me like, nope, not today. It is as dull as a spoon trying to cut steak. And honestly, I think I'm losing the battle. Even Boff is judging me at this point. But hey, we are committed, one stubborn forest trail branch at a time. I might have to come back with a better chainsaw, because this is not good enough at all. It's actually pretty bad. Hi Boff, hi Boff. We'll try some more, and then I'll head back and get my other chainsaw. Okay, round 2. And honestly, this chainsaw is still as dull as a butter knife at a toddler's birthday party. I mean, look at this. I've seen soggy bread cut cleaner than this. At this point, I'm basically petting the branch, not cutting it. This chain is so dull it could be used as a safety toy. A decorative chainsaw. A chainsaw for people who don't actually want to cut anything. Why am I even trying? I could chew through this branch faster. Boff could chew through this branch faster. Alright, deep breath. One more try. But I swear, if this thing gets any duller, I'll start using harsh language just to see if that helps. Okay, this chainsaw, I think something is wrong with it. I switched out the battery, but it's no good. So I'm wondering if I think it's the chain. It's not sharp enough. That can be the cause, or else it's something with the engine. So I don't know. So what I did was I have now cut some of the smaller branches so that you can go underneath it. But I'm not finished yet. Well, my chainsaw is finished, but I'm going to get my other chainsaw and then I'm going to fix this. So yesterday you saw me walking in the woods with the electric chainsaw. And it didn't work as good because it's old and something's wrong with it, or the chain is not sharp enough. So today I'm thinking I'm going to try the real chainsaw. So I might have to look for that, and hopefully I can get it to start, because usually it's my husband who does that and not me. But I will try to find it. So let me see. Okay, I found the chainsaw. It's a Stihl M5231. Oh, I think I misread that. It's MS231. And it's a couple of years old. I'm not sure how many years. I just checked it and I saw it was a little bit low on fuel. So I hope I have found the right fuel. So if you professionals out there can help me. Aspen 2, fuel for professionals, yes. So maybe it's not fuel for me because I'm not a professional, I'm just an amateur. So what to do? I couldn't find any fuel for amateurs. So maybe I just have to fake it, like pretend I'm a professional. So it has 2 places where I can fill up some fuel. I think one of the places is for the petrol and one of the places is for oil. So I think this is petrol. It says alkylate benzene. That's petrol in Norwegian. So I think this is the one. So petrol 5, I think it has to be. So if I put this into this, it's a picture of a gas tank. So I think this is the place I'm going to put it, and not over here. Here's a picture of a oil lamp, I think. So I'm not going to fill it here. So I hope I don't F this up. I think this is the place. Oh. Perfect. So if this was a commercial, you will have a professional here telling you that this is a Stihl M5231 and it's a really good chainsaw. But I can't tell you anything more about it. Anything else than it works. And it's a good chainsaw. And I need my professional gear. I should also go get my ear gear. Yes, I should do that. We're here again, and I brought a better chainsaw. And there's the tree. Still a problem. Okay, so you already seen me fight with this fallen tree, and with my poor little chainsaw that's having a moment. Normally, my husband is the one who starts this bigger chainsaw. I'm not exactly the chainsaw whisperer in this family. But he's not here, the tree is still here, and I am not giving up yet. So let's try this again and see if I can get this thing running and finally move that tree out of the way. So I just figured out that my camera wasn't recording, so almost half of the tree is already gone, and I got the chainsaw started, so I'm pretty happy about that, but not so happy about the camera not capturing the precious moments, but so it is. And for you who is watching a video of me and my dog Boff for the first time, Boff, he is my Maltipoo puppy. He is now 9 months old, and he is standing now right in front of the camera, and he is smeared with poop all over his butt cheek. You can see it also a little bit on his jacket, and I don't know this yet. So if you follow along, you will see me trying to pet him and instantly regretting my decision to pet him. So, ew. Ja, Sofie, vi klarte det. Oh, you full and poop? Are you full and poop? Oh, look at me. I'm not very happy here. I'm eager to get home to get this poop cleaned off me and my dog. We're finished. My dog has poop all over him. Don't know why. So we're heading home to the shower. It's disgusting. But I'm finished. So now you can walk through here without having to bend over. Oh, and I'm also covered in poop. That's disgusting. Maybe I should take a shower as well, and also my clothes. Ah! Shitty dog. Shitty dog. Why are you full of poop? Here's my shit stain. Kom! Kom da! Maybe I'll give him a new name. It's not Boff anymore. It's Puppy Shit Stain. Kom in da! He's on the hunt for the cat, covered in shit. Get the dog, they said. It will be fun. Okay, I'll put on my sexy Crocs and I'll get the dog. Come! Ja, kom da! He's got no time for me. The damn cat. Come on, Boff! Come! Did you got? Oh, I got him. Yes, we're in the bathroom. Poop dog. Vänta. This is a poop-free dog. Yes, it's a poop-free dog. No pooping. Eh? No poop on you. Oh. Thank you so much for watching. if you like what you saw, I think you should give me a thumbs up or even subscribe. It's totally free to subscribe, and then you will get to see more of my content.